Okay, this is Pikkenierskloof, 600 meters above sea level, 3.5 hours drive from our house. Familiemoord Grenache grows there. We're picking that tomorrow morning. Now, I don't like getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning, so my good friend Appel and LZ van Sail. Appel's got this little family farm here called Lopervier, next to the farm where I pick grapes. And he said he's got this cabin in the mountain called Dirkse Huisie. Super spectacular. Couple of scorpions, but that's it. That's dangerous. The rest is super safe. So he said, come stay in my little place for the night. So I drove up now. I went for a swim in the dam there. And now I'm going to sleep here in his house in Dirkse Huisie. And then tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, I pick grapes and I head home. So a beautiful evening in Pikkenierskloof.
Gisteraan donker die aangekom, hier geslaap en nou gaan ek druiwe pluk, Familiemoord 2026. Dit is my huis, met 'n lekker koffietjie en nou moet ons ry.